Norman Copenhagen was started in 1999 by the two owners, Jan and Paul, which started the company with the idea of starting out with lamps and smaller accessories. And over the time it evolved into being also furniture, as you see here, and these are the things we're working on at the moment. Norman Copenhagen mainly works with all different sorts of the products, both small scale and furniture. And over the time it has evolved into something more passionate about all the things you see at a home. And the basic philosophy and idea about the products they choose is the things they are passionate about. So not only do they choose it themselves, they also believe that the thing should be honest and simply in the expression. And that's why the collection is, as you see, has a lot of very clean and Nordic Scandinavian touch to the products. It goes from everything from candle holders to sofas, and that's some of the products we're working on. Also, we're working with both external international designers, and recently we also started our own internal design department where we also develop products with inside the company.